In this guide, I'll show you how to fix mic echo on PS5, whether you're using a headset with a mic or your controller with the mic. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down and select Sound. Now from here, we're going to select a microphone, and for the input device, you just want to make sure it's on the correct one for you. So after you've done this, we're going to go to Adjust Microphone Level, and you want to ensure your microphone level isn't too high, or else you're going to pick up a lot of background noise on your mic. You also want to ensure your microphone is as close to your mouth as possible and be comfortable, as this is going to ensure it's mostly picking up your voice and not anything else around you. So you want to decrease your microphone level as much as you can, just not to the point where people can't hear you. So after you've set it, you can go back, and now we're going to scroll over and scroll down, and we're going to go to volume. Now, whether you're on headphones or using the controller mic, what I recommend you do is unplug your headset if you're using one, and we're going to go down to controller speaker, and you want to turn this down all the way. This can sometimes cause issues with the controller mic if this is turned up, and same thing goes if you're using your headphones. So if you're using your headphones, you can plug it back in now, and when you're using your headphones, you also want to ensure that the volume's not too high, as that noise can be picked up by your microphone as well. So I'm going to leave this somewhere in the middle, and now we're going to go back. And another thing you could try is go down to Accessories, go to Controller General, and make sure your DualSense wireless controller is up to date, because if it isn't, this can also affect performance of your controller and headset. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.